My day 19, we had 4 inches of snow overnight, so the snow we're breaking through is about 6 inches. You see my snowshoes buried. We had hoped to just be 2 inches, but we got 6 inches total to break through now. It's pretty. Still haven't seen the sun in 8 days for more than 5 minutes. It's my day 18. It's about 20 degrees. We're able to do 10 miles a day, but the snow is deep. A little bit of sun, clouds, lightening up, less snow. Here's my sweetie pie behind me. She's buried in snow.
It's beautiful, but it's hard.
Yeah. Pie in Greenleaf.
Clouds.
Wishing for 60 degrees.
No, not really.
No, not really.
Just to stop snowing and it'd be like 25.
The good news is it's only 65 miles to the bridge.
Yes.
On the other side of the bridge is supposed to be green grass, cows, and spinach. So
yeah, it's always greener on the other side of the bridge.
yeah, so we're focusing on that. Should be there in about 6 days.
Yes.
Just past Christmas.
Yes.
Pie in Greenleaf, looking forward to sunshine on my shoulders. Makes us happy. Pie in Greenleaf, out.